If you smell sewer gas after removing your old toilet, stop work immediately and ventilate the area while you follow safety steps to eliminate the odor and block the leak. Sewer gas is a mix of odors and gases that come from the drain system and can enter living spaces when a fixture is disconnected. First, step outside to breathe fresh air and avoid inhaling concentrated fumes. Then open windows and doors to increase cross-ventilation while you work. Seal the exposed drain flange quickly using a clean rag pushed into the opening and wrapped with painter tape or duct tape to form a temporary gasket until you can install a proper cap or the new toilet. Work efficiently but do not rush. Plan each step in advance so the open drain time is minimal, and keep a bucket and sponge on hand to catch any residual water or debris. Wear gloves and eye protection when handling the flange and wax ring area because biofilm and residue can harbor bacteria and odors. If the smell persists after sealing the flange and ventilating for a few minutes, use a household disinfectant around the flange and nearby flooring. Then replace the temporary rag with a commercial test cap or a new toilet as soon as possible. Common mistakes include leaving the drain exposed for too long, which prolongs odor and allows insects and sewer gases to enter. The fix is to prepare your materials so you can cap or reinstall quickly. Using a damp rag without securing it properly can allow gases to escape, and wet cloths can become messy. Instead, use a dry rag and tape it firmly, or use a plastic test cap designed for plumbing. Ignoring ventilation because you think the smell will dissipate on its own can create an unpleasant indoor environment and possible health irritation. Open windows and use a fan aimed out the window to force airflow and remove fumes. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors by letting users search by project type, location, and contractor profile so we can find people suited to the job. We also provide a discussion community where homeowners and contractors can share experiences, ask questions, and post tips about tasks like preventing sewer gas exposure during toilet removal.